back to my channel. In this video we are going to find our hardware properties in a new way. If you watch the previous video which I created, and it is find your hardware without an application, in this video we are going to use an application which makes our work too easy and simple. We can do it in 1 minute. So jump to the screen. We are going to jump to the screen and watch it on the end. Welcome to this video. So let's go and install the program that I talk about it. The program is CPU-Z. I'll put the download link on the description. When you press it on that, you can download it and install it on your PC. I didn't install it, so let's go and install it. Okay, this is the website that you can download this application. The setup for Windows. You can press on download now. I will put this link on the description. I press it on the I save it on desktop. With the F5 you can refresh your, I can say, desktop. When you press it on the installer, okay, you have to accept the agreements. Then it says where I have to save my data files, or where I have to create the app shortcuts on these things. You press on next. You didn't change anything. If you wanted to have a desktop icon, you didn't disable this checkbox. If you want, you have to enable the checkbox. Press on next, then press on install. It's going to install it. If you wanted to see the readme.txt of this application, you can press on view. I wanted to read it, so I press on finish. This is the application logo, or I can say the part that you have to press on it and see your hardware. Okay, at first we scan your hardware and find the hardware properties. This is the best application you can work with it, which the name of that is CPU-Z. All of the things will be collected in a small app. This is all of the things about my CPU, my motherboard, my memory, or I can say my RAM. My RAM is dual channel. I will create lots of videos about the computer and hardwares. We will learn these things in the new videos, so subscribe to the channel. This is about the speed of my RAM. I have 4 slots on my motherboard. Just have 2 8GB RAM, so the slot 3 and slot 4 is empty. The graphic, my CPU graphic, and my, I can say, my NVIDIA graphic. Okay, with this application you can find these things, and all done. This is the fastest way. You can find your system properties with a nice UI. If you want it and you can install an application on the system, do this way. If you can't install an application on the system, I will create another video which will be appearing here. On that, I'm going to tell you how to find your hardware properties without an application. Okay, all of this thing is done. If you have any question, type it in the comment section. I will create a video just for you.